Hi friends, and welcome to the Lawn and Garden channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing your own delicious veggies right at home. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got you covered with some easy-to-grow vegetables that will have you harvesting your own bounty in no time. Let's get started. Please remember to like this video, and also please subscribe. First up, we have everyone's favorite, tomatoes. With so many varieties to choose from, there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer beefsteak, cherry, or Roma, tomatoes are a versatile and rewarding choice for any garden. Start by planting your tomato seedlings in well-draining soil with plenty of sunlight. Make sure to provide support, like stakes or cages, as they grow tall and heavy with fruit. Keep the soil consistently moist, and soon you'll be enjoying juicy, homegrown tomatoes straight from the vine. Next on our list is lettuce, a staple for salads and sandwiches alike. With varieties like butterhead, romaine, and leaf lettuce, you'll never run out of options for fresh greens. Plant lettuce seeds directly in the soil or transplant seedlings into a sunny spot with rich, well-drained soil. Keep the soil consistently moist, and don't forget to thin out seedlings to ensure proper spacing. Before you know it, you'll be harvesting crisp, delicious lettuce right from your own backyard. Now, let's talk about radishes, the quick-growing root vegetables that add a spicy kick to any dish. With varieties like cherry bell and French breakfast, radishes are as beautiful as they are tasty. Plant radish seeds directly in loose, well-drained soil, and keep them watered to encourage rapid growth. In just a few weeks, you'll be harvesting plump, colorful radishes that are perfect for salads, pickling, or snacking straight from the garden. Moving on to zucchini, a prolific and versatile vegetable that's perfect for beginners. Whether you prefer green, yellow, or round varieties, zucchini plants are sure to provide you with an abundant harvest. Plant zucchini seedlings in nutrient-rich soil with plenty of sunlight and space to spread. Be sure to provide support, like trellises or cages, to keep the sprawling vines off the ground. With regular watering and a little patience, you'll soon be enjoying delicious zucchini in all your favorite recipes. Now, let's talk about green beans, a classic garden favorite that's easy to grow and even easier to enjoy. Whether you prefer bush beans or pole beans, green beans are sure to thrive in your garden. Plant green bean seeds directly in well-drained soil after the last frost, and provide support for climbing varieties with trellises or poles. Keep the soil consistently moist, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting crisp, tender green beans to enjoy fresh or preserved for later. Next up, we have peppers, both sweet and hot, that add flavor and heat to any dish. With varieties like bell peppers, jalapenos, and banana peppers, there's something for every palate. Start pepper seedlings indoors or purchase seedlings to transplant into well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist, and soon you'll be harvesting colorful peppers to spice up your meals. Moving on to cucumbers, refreshing and hydrating vegetables that are perfect for summer snacking. Whether you prefer slicing cucumbers or pickling cucumbers, you can't go wrong with these crisp, juicy delights. Plant cucumber seedlings in fertile soil with plenty of sunlight, and provide support for climbing varieties with trellises or cages. Keep the soil consistently moist, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting fresh cucumbers to enjoy in salads, sandwiches, or straight from the vine. Now, let's talk about spinach, a nutrient-packed green that's as delicious as it is healthy. Whether you enjoy it fresh in salads or cooked in your favorite dishes, spinach is a must-have for any garden. Plant spinach seeds directly in well-drained soil with partial shade, and keep the soil consistently moist to encourage rapid growth. Harvest outer leaves as needed, allowing the plant to continue producing fresh greens throughout the season. Last but not least, we have carrots, sweet and crunchy root vegetables that are perfect for snacking, cooking, or juicing. With varieties like Nantes, Danvers, and Chantenay, there's a carrot for every taste and preference. Plant carrot seeds directly in loose, sandy soil and keep them watered to encourage even germination. Thin out seedlings as needed to ensure proper spacing, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting sweet, flavorful carrots to enjoy fresh or cooked in your favorite recipes. And there you have it, folks. With a little bit of know-how and a whole lot of love, you can grow your own delicious vegetables right at home. So grab your gardening gloves and get ready to dig in. Happy gardening! And remember, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel